Mga kabisyo, we are live, not just on air, kung hindi online. Live na live tayo sa ating Facebook, Love Radio Manila. Nako, kung gusto nyo akong mapanood kasama ang aking special guest sa Love Lounge, then all you have to do ay pumunta sa Facebook and then search for Love Radio Manila and watch now. Ngayong araw na to, my love, we are graced by a gorgeous human being. Sa totoo lang, ayokong tumabi sa kanya. Bukod sa towering siya. Kaya hindi na ako tatayo. Gorgeous siya. Partida naka-makeup na ako nito at nag-ayos na ako. Pero wala, lampaso ako dito. This one is a rising Filipino singer, songwriter, and pop star from Davao City. Kaya sa mga Davaoenyo po, ayan, na proud sa kanilang mga homegrown talents. Nako, manood na kayo ng ating Facebook Live. Alam nyo bang some of his popular songs are Bangin, Kalawakan, and Kaya, which tackled various topics such as love, identity, and societal issues. Pang-brainy. Pang-brainy. He won the award for Best Cover Art at the Awit Awards for his song Kalawakan and was nominated for 4 more categories. His song Kaya was also nominated for Best Contemporary R&B. He is an advocate for LGBTQ plus representation in the Philippine music industry. Kaya naman makakasama natin ngayon the gorgeous, the one and only, please welcome Pablo. Hi!
Hi! Good morning.
Good morning. Napaka-fresh morning. Sana all fresh a morning. O, diba? Pero nice to have you back sa building namin. I know na you've done your interviews already sa two sister stations namin. And now it's our time to shine para nga naman interviewin ang nag-iisang Pablo. But how are you? I know you've been busy. I followed your social media accounts. You've been busy. So, kamusta lately?
So far, mentally stable pa rin.
Gusto ko yung mentally stable. Bakit ako mentally impaired? Mentally stable.
Kinakaya pa naman yung busyness. Parang I treat it as blessing. So yun, parang instead of being, tired of thinking about the schedule or the engagements, parang iniisip ko na blessing siya, and every time na nag-engage ako sa mga ganon, it's a closer step to getting to know more people, ganyan. Kaya ina-enjoy ko.
Yan. Gusto naman namin yan na-enjoy nyo. At saka, especially when this is your passion. It has always been your passion. I've followed your social media accounts and it's a manifestation of how much you love music and art. So, ang dami kasing personal questions na sinend sa Love Radio Manila papunta sa'yo. So, ako na lang ang gagawa ng paraan para maitanong to sa'yo ng mga fans mo. First of all, Paul, how do your friends describe you? Paano kanila dinedescribe? Sino si Paul in real life? Kasi iba yung nakikita ng mga followers eh. When they see you, they idolize you for how you dress, how you present yourself. But for your friends, sino si Paul?
Sa aking friends, marami naman akong friends, di ba? Mga 3. Tsari.
Ay, lamang ka sa akin na isa.
Ayun.
Walang friends, kawawa.
Dalawa. Yung lang, parent at saka yung kapatid. Charis. Pero yung yung mga friends ko so far, very, sila, siguro, iba ako kasi as an artist, saka, kasi yung artist persona ko ngayon, it's who I'm trying to be, it's who I want to be. But in real life, I'm actually very chill. I am also very low maintenance as a friend. And ayun, I think, natanong ko na rin to sa mga friends ko before na ano bang paningin nyo sa akin? Naluloka sila kasi ako yung lutang na person, always. Tapos parang ako yung indecisive kasi whenever naghahanap kami ng mga lugar na pasyalan, ganyan, parang always ako, kayo, ganon.
ito yung friend na pag tinanong mo, wag kang umasa. Na meron siyang definite answer.
Yes.
Pero kalog ka talaga in real life.
Oo, yun na talaga. Parang nahihirapan ako magseryoso sa ibang bagay. Pero siguro as time passed by, parang ngayon na medyo, nasa young adult stage na ako, parang natututo na rin ako magseryoso, nagiging malaman na yung wisdom, ganyan.
Yes.
Kasi before, parang kalokohan lang talaga sa school, puro tawanan, ganyan. So yun, mga friends ko rin, namimiss ko na sila kasi last bonding namin, sa school pa, ganyan. So may mga work na rin sila. Fresh grad, hindi na pala ganun ka-fresh. Mga 2021 akong graduate, oo.
Hindi ka na... 2020, grabe, ang bata niya, ba't parang ang laki mo, Paul?
Yeah. Parang they usually expect na I'm around 26, ganyan. 23 ako.
23 ka? Oh my God. Ang parang, alam niyo yung mga sinasabi nila when puberty hits, ganyan. Parang si Paul hindi pa siya nagpo-puberty, ganyan na siya. Bakit ganon? Bakit ako nag-hit na yung puberty? Wala pa. Parang naiwan ako. Pero ito, Paul, who is your inspiration? Although I've read a lot of articles, kung sino yung inspiration mo sa music mo, I want you to share sa ating mga kabisyo and your fans as well watching us on Facebook Live. Sino ang inspirasyon sa likod ni Paul Pablo?
Inspirasyon sa likod ni Paul Pablo, siguro sa iba't ibang aspect, parang nag-iiba-iba rin yung inspirasyon. Pero when it comes to my career as a whole, I think yung backbone talaga kung bakit ko siya ginagawa is first, this is really my dream since I was still a kid, na parang it's my dream to perform, it's my dream to do music, and right now I'm very, very thankful because I finally got the chance to do this. I finally found the people na parang maniniwala sa mga ginagawa ko, ganun, and they're very supportive, that's why I'm very thankful. And siguro yung pagdating naman sa music influences, yung parang backbone talaga kung bakit gusto kong umeksaherada, ganyan siya. Gusto kong parang nakakaiba yung dating, ganun, is because when I was young as 8 years old, I already knew about Lady Gaga. And then since then, I've been obsessed about her, like her music, ganyan. So, ayun, dumating sa time na parang I grew up and then I realized also my taste, what I wanted, and then, ayun, parang somehow ngayon, nandun ako sa point na I'm still a fan of Gaga, but also I already found who Paul Pablo is, and right now I'm sticking with what I want already, but I know deep inside na tinulungan din ako ni Mother Monster kung paano ko mahanap yung sarili ko, ganun.
Alam mo, nakakatuwa sa music mo, Paul, kasi nga before I did this interview, nag-intensive research naman ako.
Wow.
Ganun tayo,
Yes.
studios. Gusto ko maging brainy sa harapan mo kasi brainy kang tao. So ang hirap maging syunga. Pero ang nakakatuwa kasi dun sa mga lyrics mo, it's all about being an advocate of yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You are very proud of who you are and you're showing it sa music mo and you're encouraging everybody to do the same thing, which is just like how Lady Gaga is when she is starting, di ba? Parang everybody is doubting the kind of music that she has. Yung pag-interpret niya sa music, yung itsura niya herself, ang daming niyang ridicule na nakuha from the public, but she did not care at all. And nakakatuwa kasi nag-reflect sa music mo on how graceful you carry yourself. And siguro sa mga young LGBTQ+ na generations natin, you are one of the people that they should look after. Kasi parang iba yung representation mo. It's not just being proud of who yourself, but owning everything na ginagawa mo, which is sobrang nice.
Thank you, DJ
Please
Lala.
continue to make music like that. At syempre, dahil nga naman gusto ng mga kabisyo namin na papahirapan yung mga artist namin dito. Eto na yung mga tough questions sa ating Love Lounge using our Love Lounge deck cards. So ito po ay naglalaman ng mga tough questions in life, pang Miss Universe na labanan.
OMG.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ganon. Kailangan ganun yung moment natin. So, bibigyan kita ng tatlong tanong. Tatlo,
Okay.
para kumasya. Ikaw na pumili ng kulay and give it to me.
Kukuha na ba ako ng tatlo?
Isa-isa lang muna.
Isa lang muna.
Para kunyari intense. Ayan.
Ito na sa middle.
Ayan, kinuha niya yung blow. Ayan na. So, Paul, if you could instantly attain 3 skills, what would they be? 3 skills, 3 superpower, ano yung tatlong yun na maa-attain mo at bakit?
Thank you so much for the wonderful question.
Walang rampa.
May family. Oy. Okay. Ano ba? Siguro ang tatlong superpowers or super skills na gusto kong parang kahit na wala naman ngayon sa akin pa. Pero I'm trying to push it also. Siguro yung number one kasi sa akin na pinaka I think the pinaka-powerful thing na medyo underrated siya, yung power to make other people happy. Ganyan.
Aww.
So, I think na that's one thing that I really want to have. Making other people happy. And the other one is the power to fight yung imposter syndrome. Yung mga ganun.
Imposter syndrome? Teka lang, dunggo ko.
Yung mga ganun, yung parang yung mga times na parang nawawalan ka ng tiwala sa sarili mo, yung parang nauunahan ka ng kaba, ng takot at ng insecurities, ganun. Kasi bilang individual and bilang isang artist, yun yung pinaka number one na magiging kalaban ng artist, na parang sa tingin niya hindi pa siya magaling, hindi siya effective, and sometimes it's normal talaga, but sometimes hindi na siya normal kasi parang may times na there are people who believe na kaya mo and talagang you deserve everything, pero hindi mo na yun nakikita kasi masyado kang nagsistick na doon sa fear and everything. So I hope na I have the power to just like in one snap, parang hindi ko na maririnig lahat ng yun. And siguro the last thing is na gusto ko ma-maintain is yung skill to sing.
Oy, grabe you can sing.
Parang gusto ko lang siya na until I age, kasi yun talaga 'di ba yung palagi nilang sinasabi na when you turn na daw, parang doon ka na papunta sa aging, ganyan, parang medyo nag-iiba na daw, ganyan, you have to be cautious about yung changes ng voice mo. And I'm very parang very exposed sa ganun na bagay kasi nakikita ko yung mga parents ko, they also sing, and then they usually tell me na parang yung bata ako ganito ako kumanta, ganito, and then ayun, sana na since I already have it, I just want it to remain until I age, para mapanatili ko yung influence ko sa people through my music. Ganun.
Grabe, ang lalim niyang tao. Kasi kung sa akin mo tatanong yan, anong 3 skills ko? Gusto kong makalipad. Gusto kong mag-invisible. Gusto kong magtubo ng pera.
Ay, true. Yan yung
diba?
gusto. Oo, dapat pera na lang.
Huwag mo ugawin. Next question.
Yes.
Napakalalim na tao ni Paul.
Dito tayo sa para maging dilaw. Dilaw.
Ito yung next question. If you could see into the future, what's one thing you want to see? Anong gusto mong makita? Kung gusto mong mag-take peek sa future, anong gusto mong makita po?
Yung gusto kong makita in the future, ano bang wait lang. Masyado kasi ako yung type of person na nagsistick sa now. Tapos hindi ko masyado
Uy, maganda yun,
Oo. Pero siguro yung gusto ko malaman in the future, nahirapan ako sa tanong na yun. Parang hindi ko siya in-expect na.
Tanungin mo kung ano yung number sa susunod na Super Lotto.
Ay, oo, yan. I think perfect yan kasi
diba?
masyado ako parang broke queen. Ganun ako ngayon. Oo.
Ganyan talaga, magsama-sama tayo. Pag nakita mo na yung number, share mo sa akin.
Yes.
Ayan, last question ni Paul.
Ito.
Yan. So darker green siya.
Darker green.
So, over the past 10 years, what's been your biggest blessing in disguise?
Biggest blessing in disguise? I think the decision that I made to become to not push with the first choices na I made before, kasi I almost gave up. Hindi ko pa naumpisahan yung music ko, pero I already thought of giving up. So ayun, parang I wanted to go rin abroad with my brother, ganyan. So I wanted to work there because I was already thinking na there will be no opportunity for me sa music kasi first I'm gay, and then second Philippines is kinda conservative, so I don't know how will they take a music artist na gay, kasi parang masyado tayong sanay sa comedian na gays, actors na gays, ganon. Tanggap na sila. So I think yung isa rin sa nagpa-stick sa akin is yung idea ko na kailangan na mas magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming representation when it comes to the LGBTQ community sa music. So yun yung parang somehow yung parang parang masyado siyang malayo pa na idea pero nag-push sa akin na sige nga, subukan natin mag-music and gawin natin gay, ganyan. Ilabas ko yung true self ko. And unexpectedly, doon ako na-discover sa ginawa kong yun. So, ayun, parang somehow, nagpapasalamat ako na hindi ako nakinig sa ibang thoughts ko na mag-give up.
At nagpapasalamat din lahat ng nakikinig sa'yo for doing that. Because sabi ko nga sa'yo, people do idolize you for embracing who you are. And they just want to be like you. Kasi matapang ka and yung musicality mo is very musiko talaga. It's not just someone who is making music. This is someone who has passion and love sa music. So, di ba? Very queen, koronahan yan. Well, anyway, syempre hindi kita papalagpasin sa ating Love Lounge nang hindi kami humihingi ng sample. Your favorite line dito sa newest single na mamaya mapapakinggan naman nila talaga in full. Pagbibigyan namin kayo. Ayan, favorite line mo dun sa kanta mong Takaw Tingin.
Okay. Kakantahin ko?
Kahit kantahin mo na.
Ayan, sige. Ayun, yung part na kahit may manakit, ika'y maliitin, huwag mo lang pansinin, wala kang dapat baguhin. Ayun. May Bisaya pa siya. Mausabra na sila tanan kapag ika'y masisilayan na. Ayun. Yung siya, pre-chorus.
Grabe, ang ganda ng boses mo.
Ay, thank you. Binabaan ko lang yung tono para hindi ako mabigla.
Kung mababa yung tono niyan, kahit ako kumanta niya, wala talaga ako sa tono at all. Taas mo, baba mo, bala ka na. Pero grabe, good morning sa boses mong napakaganda.
Boss ko tulog pa. Pero lalaking-lalaki yung voice ko pag tulog pa. So, yun.
Pero ang ganda, napakaganda ng boses mo.
Salamat po.
Ay, wow, lalim. Pero, Paul, imbitahan mo naman sila. Of course, first is to like and follow you on your socials. Second, of course, your events and whatnots. And the third one, please invite them to follow your newest single that we are gonna play in a few minutes from now.
Okay. So, if you guys want to listen to my songs, everything is on Spotify, YouTube Music, and Apple Music. Just type in Paul Pablo, and then you'll get to hear now all of my songs. And then I'm also on social media, some social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So, i-type nyo lang @it's Paul Pablo, and then makikita nyo na doon ang aking mga updates and everything. Also, please stream my latest single, Takaw Tingin. It's out now and may nilabas akong special performance video na ginawa ko sa Carbon Market Cebu. So yun, I grabbed some of my friends from Mix of Angels and then sinayaw lang namin siya for fun sa palengke. Ayun.
Oo, sobrang ganda ng video, guys. Panoorin
niyo. Thank you po. And lastly, please watch out for my next single coming this August. It's a collab track with DJ Young, and this is going to be memorable because it's going to be my first ever pure Bisaya song na ilalabas.
Aww. Thank you so much sa music mo, and even though hindi ako Bisaya at hindi ko yan maiintindihan, papatranslate ko sa mga uncle ko yan. Pero alam mo, Paul, gusto kitang makitang fashion TikTok, yung mga talagang rumarampa sa TikTok kasi ang galing ng fashion sense mo.
Oh, salamat.
Wala kasi ako niyan. So gusto ko i-copy. Kanina nang dumaan si Paul, tumingin talaga ako sa kanya from head to toe.
Yeah. Pero bawing-bawi naman sa prettiness mo.
Ay, thank you.
Paka-fresh si DJ lang.
Thank you. Nakilig. Kinilig. Pero Paul, maraming salamat. If you have a message sa mga followers mo, especially the young generations of LGBTQ+ that are looking for people to idolize, to follow, to look up to, anong mensahe ang gusto mong ibigay sa kanila?
I think the best message that I can give for all of you out there, my LGBT fam, is my song Takaw Tingin. Napaka-wise. Pero yung song ko kasi na yun, binuhos ko na dun yung naramdaman ko. Kasi they see us as Takaw Tingin. Yung mga ibang, kasi they see us as unusual. They see us sometimes na parang hindi pa tayo ganun normalize ang LGBTQ, and iba't iba tayo ng self-expression. Kaya it's okay to feel na minsan nagiging takaw ka kasi you feel different. So, ayun, yung parang pag pinakinggan niyo yung song ko na yun, di yun siya ginawa ko lang to motivate you guys. It's my personal experience that I want to share to all of you.
Yan. Paul, maraming salamat. For me, you're not just unique, you are a unicorn. Thank you so much for gracing my morning with your beautiful face. Maraming salamat sa
Salamat rin.
pagpapaunlak. Ayan.
Thank you.
Sa mga kabisyo natin, please stream his song Takaw Tingin sa kanyang mga streaming platforms and follow him on his socials and be proud ng ating OPM is having diversity na beautiful, unique, and just like a unicorn. Kaya naman po sa mga nagre-request ng song ni Paul Pablo, eto na, pagbibigyan ko na kayo. Kasama niyo pa rin DJ Lana Banderas para sa ating Lover Radio Top 10 Countdown. Here is our guest for today with Takaw Tingin.